Dear listeners, today in this video we shall learn there are many different ways to speak the same thing. You can express yourself in number of ways. The word is famous. Who doesn't want to be a famous personality? And how to acknowledge that fame? Well, another word to express famous is well-known. Well-known. For example, he is a well-known artist. He is well-known in the local community. Amitabh Bachchan is a well-known actor in the whole world. Notable, which can be noted. The town is notable for its ancient harbour. Robert Frost is a notable poet. It means everyone has noted his poetry. Madhuri Dixit is a notable dancer. Let's jump on to the next one. Renowned. Renowned. Who is well known. For example, it is renowned as one of the region's best restaurants. Sanjeev Kapoor is a renowned chef. The next is fabled. Fabled. F-A-B-L-E-D. Fabled, which means quite famous. For example, for the first week, he never actually saw the fabled Jane. Fabled, where one person is famous because of his fictitious narration. For example, my grandmother is a fabled storyteller. She combines facts and fables to make her stories more interesting. The next is celebrated. Celebrated. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E-D. It means one who is admired or praised everywhere. For example, Aishwarya Rai is a celebrated actress. The next is remarkable. Remarkable. Who is worthy of being remarked, being noted. For example, she was a truly remarkable woman. Mother Teresa was undoubtedly a remarkable lady. The next one is prominent. Prominent. P-R-O-M-I-N-E-N-T. Prominent. She was prominent in the fashion industry. Sachin Tendulkar is a prominent batsman. The next is legendary. Legendary. L-E-G-E-N-D-A-R-Y. Legendary. It means having unimaginable greatness or excellence. For example, Amitabh Bachchan is a legendary actor. Another example can be Narendra Modi's political skill is legendary. The last one in the chart is acclaimed. Acclaimed. She has published 6 highly acclaimed novels. Another example can be Rabindranath Tagore was an acclaimed writer. Thanks for watching the video. I hope the video worth your time.